Well, have you forgotten your Telegram password? Let me help you. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Mesnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can get access to your account of the password that you have forgotten. Now if you have forgotten your account password and you want to access the account, then let me help you how you can access both the password and your account as well. First, open up your app, insert in your country code and your phone number. I'll just enter in it real quick. Once you enter in, you want to tap on next and then tap on yes here. Once you do so here, it'll ask you to check your Telegram messages. Tap to get a code via SMS. I'll do it so that I can get a code on SMS here. And you can see my account is logged in. Now it'll ask you for a password, right? Now if you set up a password and now you forgot a password, now if you set up a password, then you might have set up the background, sorry, not the background, but the backup Gmail as well. Yes, so you want to tap on forgot password option and it'll ask you will have sent a recovery code to the email you provided. Simply tap on continue and it'll send a recovery code to your Gmail, which you'll have to enter it here, and you'll be able to log into your account. So this way you can easily reset your password and access your account even if you forgot your password. Hope this helped you. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.